right, George, it says right here, PSI for suction head. What is PSI?
Well, that's pounds per square inch. So that's how much pressure that compressor is producing to flow the Freon through the system. Okay. Just like your tires on your car, you have a pressure that it had to be at. Well, these systems are the same thing. They have operating pressure based on conditions. And conditions are temperature inside the house, how much moisture is in the air inside the house, what the temperature is outside, or the coil's clean or the coil's dirty. All of that will affect the pressures of the system.
Now, you said something that kind of made me remember, like every winter before I go hunting, I have to check my air in my tires because it's got colder outside.
Yeah.
And your pressure in your tires change. So it's the same thing with heating and cooling?
Well, yeah, the temperature outside is going to affect the pressures of the system operating. The temperature inside the house is going to do the same thing.
How long do you let a unit run before you start checking the pressure?
Ideally, it needs to run at least 15, 20 minutes.
15, 20 minutes?
Readings, yes, sir.
When you fill out the chart, what are you telling the homeowner when you do that?
Well, you're looking at the suction pressure and the head pressure of the compressor as it's pushing the Freon through the system.
Okay.
So if you have high head pressure, then you go look and you may have a dirty condenser coil. You may have a fan motor that's not operating properly. You could have something going on with the metering device. Same thing with the suction pressure. If you have a high suction pressure, something's going on with the system. If you have a low suction pressure, something's going on. So,
well, it kind of sounds like going to the doctor when the doctor checks your blood pressure, and same thing with the unit.
Same thing with the unit. The manufacturer has a chart that tells you where the pressures should be at, and you can compare that to which conditions you're checking.
And you also can check superheat and all that other stuff.
That's right. Superheat and subcool goes along with them pressure.
Okay, so there's several different ways to see if your PSI is right.
That's right.